for us to celebrate yung mga dairy products nila dito is to make a dish na nakakoncentrate dun sa dairy nila, which is yung kanilang cream cheese, kesong puti, and ano bang masarap na dish na puro keso? Cheesecake. Gagawa tayo ng no-bake cheesecake.
Sisimulan natin ang cheesecake sa pinaka-base. Imbes na gumamit ng crushed biscuits, tinurog na pulburon ang gagamitin natin.
So yung ating pinaka-pan, so dito natin ilalagay yung ating mixture, pero lalapatan muna natin ang ating pinaka-base. So yan, meron tayo dito mga pulburon. Normally, crushed biscuits yung nilalagay natin, but since, ayan, another product from the school, PCC's pulburon. So kuha lang tayo ng mga ilang piraso. If you have a bowl, definitely pwede mo siyang i-mix doon. So meron tayo dito yung pulburon natin, kakrush lang natin yan. So after natin ito makrush, you might be wondering kung paano natin siya mapagdidikit-dikit. We'll add yung ating fat, which is ating melted butter. Drizzle nyo lang yung fat. Yung fat natin would be parang magiging glue natin. Satisfied na ako dun sa pagkakamolde natin ng ating crust or yung ating base. Pwede na nating pasok sa freezer para mabilis siyang mag-set. So here, we have our cream chilled. So bali yung magiging texture ng ating cheesecake nakadepende dito kung paano mo kagaling na whip yung ating cream. Siguro more or less mga 5 to 10 minutes lang to na exercise. Ayan, kung mapapansin niyo medyo kumakapal na siya. Ayan, no? Na-aerate na yung ating cream. So yung fat na yon, the more mo siyang ina-agitate or ini-aerate, mas natatrap niyo yung hangin. So doon nagkakaroon ng, kumbaga parang dumodoble yung size. Ilalagay lang natin yung iba pa nating ingredients, like yung ating cream cheese. So not your usual cream cheese ingredient, pero dahil dito mismo ginawa and fresh na fresh, yung kesong puti nila, ilalagay din natin. Hindi ko na siya masyadong dudurugin kasi what I want is that kapag kinain mo siya, may parang surprise kang makukuha. Nagpop-up na medyo maalat-alat. Ifo-fold ko lang siya doon sa ating mixture. Just a teaspoon ng ating acid, which is calamansi. Ayan, so makikita ninyo, hindi lang bastang mabigat yung ating filling or yung ating mixture kasi dahil dun sa ginawa nating whipping action, nagkaroon ng body. Meron siyang certain tambok. So para siyang naka-bounce. Fan po ba kayong cheesecake?
Yes.
Kuwan po ito. No gelatin. As in pure lang siya. Kaya refrigerated lang siya. No bake, kumbaga. How's the taste?
Good.
It's so ironic, no? Na sa panahon natin ngayon, what you will hear from left and right, basically news about food shortage, when in fact we have like CLSU,
Yes.
na hindi napapagod para mag-train, mag-provide, and syempre to take on yung mga interested souls na ano bang mapapala ko with agriculture as a profession, di ba?
That is why, Chef, that's why we are trying to make agriculture more interesting.
Yan.
And how we do it? Well, maybe you have heard about smart agriculture. Making agriculture more interesting, and we could entice more students to go into agriculture. Because to the young generation nowadays, ayaw na nila yung pumunta sa bukid,
Yun nga po
mag-aararo.
eh.
But
Yes.
they want the computer. So you
Oo.
can do farming with your computer with that digital and precision agriculture.
With all your years with CLSU, curious lang po akong malaman siguro yung pangarapan ninyo dun sa mga graduates.
CLSU will always be aiming for excellence.
Apo.
And that we will continuously produce graduates that are work ready and globally competent, because that is the vision of CLSU.
Okay.
So we produce quality graduates that could serve the people, the community. But more importantly also, we want CLSU to have its impact on the community. Just like what you're doing, that the technology we develop will still go to the intended beneficiaries.
Yeah.
That's why your farm to table is perfect
Yeah.
in creating the impact